Now we're going to do presentation files. Before you do a presentation file, you have to make sure you have an assembly file. Otherwise, presentation files mean nothing. What presentation files are they're taking the assembly file and they're exploding them back apart, but in a meaningful manner so that they have lines connecting the figure. It's like whenever you buy something and you have the instruction manual, and the instruction manual has the product with all the lines showing how the pieces are put together. So that's what we're going to create with the table. So I'm going to create a new presentation file. I'm going to insert the model. I'm going to select the table. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to click on Tweak Components. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take each component and I'm going to lift it off the table. So I'm going to start with the round one. It gives me 3 different directions to go in. It gives me right, and this will give me right and left, front and back, up and down. So I'm going to click up and down, and I'm going to take and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to drag, and I can drag in however far I want to drag it. What I'm going to do is, so that I get everything in the same distance, is I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to type in -30. So now I'm going to click on Tweak Component again. I'm going to click on the green one. I'm going to click this down arrow again. And I'm just going to type in -30 instead of dragging. And it'll move it up the same distance as the red one. You can hit enter, or you can come over here and click the green check mark. Tweak component again, select the next one, do the same thing. Now it'd be nice if we could just take and grab everything and drag it all at once. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that with the table legs. I'm going to flip this so I can see all the table legs at once. I'm going to do Tweak Component. I'm going to hold down Control, and I'm going to click on each of the table legs. Then I'm going to click the up arrow, and I'm going to type in 50. Oh, it left my box. 50. Oops, that was the wrong direction. Let's try -50. And click it, and then I move them all at the same time. Okay, now in order to get this how we want, what we have to do is we have to come up here and take a new snapshot so that we can use this in a drawing file. So take a new snapshot of this, it takes a picture of it, and then we're going to save this. And that's all there is to a presentation file.